Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. Now, we do need to take off the case of our phone first. And the tray is located at the bottom of the device, right here, as you can see. So grab the little pin, push it in there. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now, that being said, we are not going to be inserting a SD card. There is no space for it, so bon voyage SD card. And on the tray with the SIM cards, just make sure you place the card with the chip side upwards, like so, and make sure it's clipped in correctly. When you flip the tray over, the card shouldn't be falling out, and it should be laying flush on the tray, as you can see. Now, neatly enough, here we actually get an info, at least for one of those. Let me just kind of show you. There we go. Which side is the top one? So it says SIM1 and also says to screen, meaning that this is the side that would go to the screen side. Anyway, just put that back in here and insert it back into the device. And this card, there we go, should start working right away. So let's confirm my SIM card pin, which will unlock my SIM, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.